Hello my fellow developers, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to see a real estate web application made using MERN stack. MERN stack is nothing but simply we are using Node.js and Express.js for our backend and React plus TailwindCSS for our frontend, which is for the client side, and using MongoDB as our database. Let us see the UI of the site. So this is the home page of our application. This real estate application has two parts. One is how a guest can view this application, which is anyone can browse to the home page and they can look for houses which is for rent and for sale. This is the one side of the application. So once we click on these cards, it will take us to the ad page and you can see the details, phone number, everything more clearly. Now let us go back to the home page, and in the header you will notice that there is one more icon, which is the icon to switch from dark mode to light mode and vice versa. So once we click the moon icon, it will go to the dark mode of the site and we can turn it back. Now there is one more property for the guest to see, which is the footer. In the footer we have given the social icons of the web application and we have given some contact icons, and same as the header create your ad button, we have the same button here, want to advertise in our site. If the customers click here, it will take them to the same create the ad page. But before to do that, for example, right now if you click the advertising button, it will go to that page, but the page will not open. It will show you a message which is you have to sign in to view this page. So let us go back to the home page. Now let us see how we sign up and sign in and explore the additional properties of the application. Okay, now we are in the home page. Just as I explained before, now we can operate this create your ad or the advertise, want to advertise in your site. Both these buttons will take to the create ad page. This is our create ad page, and we designed this application as such that any user can submit an ad request. See, once we complete the details, the button says submit the ad request. Now user can directly post an ad in our application, because most of the times, like in the real estate website, the company need to review the application before posting it on their site or application. So here what a regular user can do is he can submit an ad request with all the details and then can submit the ad request. The ad request will be submitted to our database and only the admins can post the ad. They can review the application and then they can post the ad. So for now, let us see how we can give an ad. Let us give some addresses and details and submit an ad request. So I am using this description. And the address here, and I am keeping it for rent, and I am giving a dummy phone number to contact. I am checking the parking and finished and giving 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and just I will select a dummy image. I will select this image and give open. Okay, here rent also I am giving 50,000 rupees as monthly rent, and now I am submit that request. Once the request is submitted, you will be redirected to the home page and you will get the message our request is successfully submitted. Once the request is reviewed, we will be contacted back. Okay, let me show you one more functionality, which is how the user can sign out or delete the account. We can delete the account only by going to the profile, because here is the button you can delete the account, or here is the sign out button. But for right now, I am signing out from the header. Here there is a sign out button. I can sign out from here. Okay, right now I am successfully signed out. And let me show you the admin side of this application. For that, we can sign in as the admin, because I already have the admin account set up. So I am giving that credentials and I am signing. So right now you are signed in as the admin. Now if you click on the profile page, you can see the same as the user, but there are some more functionalities. For example, you can see a new button, which is the post new ad, and there is another details, which is we have all the details of the post right now in our application. You see all this in the home page. We have a small version, a card version of all the ads here, and here as an admin you can edit or delete any of the ads. Before that, let me show you how to make a new ad. So we can click off this ad. The UI is same as create ad, but the functionality is different. You have to give the user ID here. User ID is simply the user ID of the post submitted by the user. We need that user's ID and the remaining details. So let us fill the details. We click the parking and turn on. And to get the user ID, we can go to our database and see the add request. In the add request, the last one will be the one. Let us refresh it. Okay, yeah, I think this is the one. So you have to copy the user ID here, copy this one, and now post the ad. Once we post the ad, we got the message new ad created, and you can see the new ad here. Now let us go back to our dashboard of admin dashboard. You can see the all ads. This is the last ad we created. We can edit it here. For example, here we can give something like updated, and we can give update. See, here we can get the message ad edited, and once we go to the one, you can see here, see, updated. So we can do that, and also we can delete that one. This is the new ad we made. Let us delete this one. Okay, so right now that one is deleted. Now let us go back to our home page. So this is our MERN application for the real estate agency. If you need the full code of how to make this application, please comment below the video. I will post it here. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.